Hi, welcome to TGN YouTube channel. Today is the second part of the SDX Pro router which we have earlier unboxed. Okay, so for today's video we are actually going to be installing the 8-port PoE module into the SDX Pro. Alright, so let me show you how it's going to be done, and meanwhile before we do that, let's open up the unit and let's take a look and see what's inside. Okay, so basically the unit, what you get inside the box, okay, it's basically just the card itself. Okay, that's all you get. All right, there are no additional screws required or needed to mount the module inside the SDX Pro because the screws are actually on the module itself. Let me open it up and show you guys. Right, so you'll see here there are actually two spring-loaded screws. Alright, so these are basically what's going to happen when we pull out the unit, the cover here on the SDX Pro. Okay, I'm going to insert this in and it's going to be connected on this connector for the power and also followed by the connection. Okay, so that's what I see here so far. Okay, other than that, everything is as per normal. This is a PoE 8-port PoE module. Okay, you can actually assign and dictate whether if the port is going to be your WAN port or your LAN port. Okay, that all can be done using the user interface on the router. Okay, so let me remove the first cover. Okay. Okay, as you remove out, there's a spring, so don't worry. The screw is not going to fly out, so don't worry about that. Okay. And now I have removed both. Okay, all you have to do is just pluck it out gently. Okay, as you remove them gently, you will take note of there's actually some spring loaded claps. Right, this is to basically hold on to the cover. Okay, now with that, just put that aside. Okay, and I want to show you what's inside. Okay, let me see if I can lift it up. Alright, so over here you will see there's a connector and also there's a power connection. Okay, let me show you. Let me see if it can be seen. Okay, let's see if you can try it. Okay, so basically that's what's going to happen, and that's where the two modules here, okay, these two connectors will connect to the connector inside. Alright, we will be doing another video which we will be connecting the next one, which will be on the SFP Plus module. Alright, so we can see clear. Alright, so now let me slide it in gently. Okay, alright, so you will hear a click. Once that's done, all you have to do is just screw it in. Do not screw it too tightly initially. Okay, what you want to do is just leave it some room and give it a little twist. Okay, to tighten it, and that's it. Okay, so then there is secure. So you have additional 8 more ports add on to the SDX Pro on top of the 2 RJ45 and the 2 SFP Plus ports here. Okay, all right, so if you have any questions, feel free to give us a remark or note. Other than that, please remember to like the video if you are enjoying it, and also remember to subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.